Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add links to TikTok bio. To get started, open up your app of TikTok, and from there you can tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now before you add in the TikTok link, make sure you switch your account to a business account. So if you don't have a business account yet, you can tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings and privacy and tap on account. Now here you'll see an option for switch to business account. In my case, I have a switch to personal account because I already have switched to a business account. You can tap on switch to business account and convert your account, and after that you can come over to your profile section and tap on edit profile. After that, you should be able to see a few options. Here the option really depends on where you live. So currently where I live, they do not provide the option of website. It only currently provides the option of email address. So in your case, if you live in a area where TikTok provides the option to add in websites, you see an option for websites instead of email, so you can easily tap on that and you can add in the link of your website. So but in my case, I only have the option to add in the email address. But other than email address or website, you can easily add in links to your social platforms such as Instagram and YouTube. You can simply tap on that, and here it will take you to the page of Instagram where you can add in your email address and your password and log into your account, and after that your link will be added. And you can also do the same for YouTube. If you tap on YouTube, here again it will take you to a website where you can choose the email address that your YouTube channel has, and then after that your YouTube channel or Instagram will be easily added to your bio on TikTok. So that's the process of how you can add links to TikTok. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and that will be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.